Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a Porsche 911. First, define your budget and the specific features you desire in your dream car. Researching different generations and models is crucial to finding the perfect fit for your lifestyle. Consider whether a new or pre-owned option aligns better with your financial goals and preferences. This initial planning sets the foundation for a successful purchase. Once your preferences are clear, begin searching for your Porsche 911. Look at reputable dealerships, including official Porsche centers, and consider private sellers. Always review the vehicle's history report, such as Carfax, to understand its past maintenance and ownership. A crucial step is arranging a pre-purchase inspection by an independent Porsche specialist to uncover any potential issues before you commit. With a solid inspection report, you're ready to negotiate the purchase price. Use market value and any identified issues to inform your offer. Next, explore financing options. Traditional loans from banks or credit unions often provide favorable rates. Porsche Financial Services also offers tailored solutions. Don't forget to inquire about available warranty coverage and service plans to protect your investment. The final steps involve completing all necessary paperwork, such as the title transfer and vehicle registration, to legally own your Porsche. Ensure you arrange comprehensive insurance coverage before you drive your new car off the lot. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your new ride fresh. Enjoy the thrill of your new Porsche 911.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.